Evening, or morning I should say. I don't know if you're going to be able to detect it, but if you watched your barometer it might just be going up slightly. If so, it will be telling you the truth. It's a day of sunny spells, very few showers, and pressure is rising, but only slightly. The Azores highs exerting a small influence upon us. However, the breeze is still the west or northwest. That means, generally speaking, it brings cooler air and quite a lot of cloud, and that's the position now. In fact, you can follow the line of the wind down through the Midlands from Liverpool Bay. But compared with this time on Wednesday, it's a much drier and sunnier and quieter picture for the southwest of England and for Wales. It's still a noticeable breeze, and at 13 to 14 degrees, maybe a degree warmer than it was on Wednesday morning. For Northern Ireland, it's not as promising. There's not as much sunshine. There are more blue blobs, which suggests more in the way of showers. That's possibly going to last throughout the day, and the same is true for Western Scotland. Not so much for the Central Belt or for Eastern Scotland, but the islands and the Western mainland at least. Now, come down to England, across the border, and Lancashire and Cumbria are, of course, cloudy with this sort of breeze, but east of that and south of that, generally speaking, the sun is out. Now, that's quite a contrast to Wednesday morning. It's warmer and it's sunnier, and it's, of course, August, so it should be like that. Now, as the day progresses, that wind direction will tend to feed in cloud through here all the time, and it'll tend to fill in the cloud elsewhere, where the skies are going to be blue otherwise. One or two light showers around. There could be a heavy one in eastern Scotland or eastern England, particularly northeast England, but they're few and far between, and for most places it's a dry day. Some warm August sunshine, so 19 to 20 degrees typically, but it's not as good as it should be, and 22 is of course the exception given only to London. Now, as Thursday evening comes upon us, the cloud will tend to die away, and it'll be a fine enough evening, though not particularly warm. Friday will be different for a very obvious reason, and you can see it starting to come in here. Friday allows the Atlantic weather to come in. Now, the Atlantic weather in this case is a warm front, and that's why it doesn't get any lower than 14 in Plymouth or Belfast. But a warm front tends to produce a lot of cloud and some rain. In this case, the rain will fall in the mountains of North Wales or in the fells of Cumbria. Otherwise, it's drizzle and a lot of cloud for all of us. 20 to 22, all the same. It'll feel quite humid, I suspect, and not overly great. But that all goes through, and on Saturday, the start of the weekend, if weekends are now important, I'm not sure if they are at this time of the year. Anyway, sunshine and showers for Saturday, and slightly warmer, 20 to 21 typically, 24 for London.